Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya and welcome to my YouTube channel, Fashion Girly Hacks. Today I will show you in this video so stylish and latest collection of low maintenance hairstyling. With beautiful different haircut and so beautiful, trendy, eye-catching color of dye. And so beautiful, a collection of low maintenance hairstyling with beautiful hair dye for girls and women you see in this video. I hope you like it. Different ideas of haircut. Some ideas: pixie haircut, bob haircut, shaggy haircut, wedge haircut, and a very beautiful collection of notching haircut, choppy haircut, and mostly ideas of haircut in undercut and different type of cuts. Some ideas: layered, deep layered, and so beautiful step, and different ideas of hair dye: blonde color, burgundy color, black color, light brown, dark brown, ash color, grey color, and so beautiful ideas of highlights. Highlights in blonde color, in burgundy color, and so beautiful collection of funky color. Different collection of hairstyling. Mostly ideas of low maintenance hairstyling in messy color. And some ideas in choppy hairstyling, spiky hairstyling, and overall collection very stylish and latest. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice, very sweet, and you look gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this, and share it your all over social media accounts. And thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I will write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.